Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the latest tips and tricks on how to live a healthy and happy life. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite beverages, green tea. Green tea is not only delicious and refreshing, but it also has many amazing benefits for your body and mind. So, if you want to know what happens to your body if you drink green tea every day, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Green tea is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, which are lightly processed to preserve their natural antioxidants and polyphenols. These compounds are responsible for most of the health benefits of green tea, such as protecting your heart. Drinking green tea may lower your risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attack and stroke, by reducing your cholesterol levels, relaxing your blood vessels, and preventing blood clots. Boosting your brain. Green tea contains caffeine and L-theanine, which work together to improve your mood, alertness, memory, and cognitive function. Green tea may also protect your brain from age-related decline and neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Supporting your weight loss. Green tea may help you burn more calories and fat by increasing your metabolism and energy expenditure. Green tea also contains catechins, especially EGCG, which may inhibit the absorption of fat and suppress your appetite. Enhancing your skin. Green tea may improve your skin health by fighting inflammation, oxidative stress, and acne. Green tea may also prevent or delay the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and sagging, by stimulating collagen production and protecting your skin from UV damage. Strengthening your immunity. Green tea may boost your immune system by activating your natural killer cells, which are responsible for fighting infections and cancer. Green tea may also have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, which may help you prevent or treat various illnesses. As you can see, green tea has many benefits for your body and mind, but how much should you drink to enjoy them? Well, there is no definitive answer to this question, as different studies have used different amounts and frequencies of green tea consumption. However, a general recommendation is to drink 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day, preferably before meals and not too close to bedtime, as caffeine may interfere with your sleep quality. Of course, you should also pay attention to your individual tolerance and preferences, and consult your doctor before drinking green tea if you have any medical conditions or take any medications. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new and interesting about green tea and its effects on your body. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!